How to buy Castle app premium. Now, first things first is you would be able to find the Castle app via the iOS or the Google Play Store. Instead, you'll have to use your browser and head directly to castleapps.org. And once you're here, you will be redirected to this area or site in which you will have to download the Castle APK. Now, for you to be able to take advantage and buy the Castle app premium, once you have fully downloaded the application, you will really need to purchase any of the features or subscriptions that this application has. And take note that you will be giving a specific amount of days for you to be able to use the free trial. But if they will not be able to hear anything from you, then you will be automatically subscribed maybe a monthly or an annual premium. So for you to be able to pay for it, just download the APK and you should be able to see or find your options if it's going to be a regular or a premium account. So that's it. That's how you buy a Castle app premium.